So imagine in Vrindavan, Radharani is Krishna's pretty famous. He's a son. He's a prince. He's a royal prince, and the feudal king of Nandagram, the king of Nandagram province, is Nanda Baba, and he's his son, his only son. And the king of Barsana is Vrishabhanu Maharaj, next kingdom over. His daughter is Vrishabhanu Nandini. So many rumors are there that the prince and the princess are meeting. Nanda Kumar means prince, son of a king. And Nanda Kumar is meeting with Bhanu Nandini. Bhanu Nandini means the daughter of Bhanu. Many rumors. Especially all the gopis would go to the well, to the kuwa to collect water, and they throw their pots down and they're pulling them up, and you know how this one said that and she said that, oh yeah, and this is the whole daily news goes on there. It's called tata. In Bengali it's called tata. Tata means the gossiping of the ladies. Tata. So there was, even 5,000 years ago, as Madhvacharya or other acharyas, they wonder about the identity of Radharani. Of course, we know she's the Parashakti of Krishna, Sarva Shakti Mai Srimati Radharani, and she's the Ladini Shakti personified and completely transcendental Satchidananda entity, Nitya Parishad, all these things. But still, the question has always been there. Even 5,000 years ago, many people doubted her chastity, especially her mother-in-law, Jatila. Because this is one of the 17 sevas of the Sakhis and Manjaris. In Ujjwal Nilamani, Rupa Goswami describes 17 different sevas of the Manjaris. Sakhis, 5 types of Sakhis. Paramprishta Sakhi, Priyanarma Sakhis, Pran Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, and Sakhis. There's 5 types of Sakhis. So the Manjaris come under the category of Nitya Sakhi or Pran Sakhi. And they all do, all these 17 sevas, they all do, basically. They all render these services for the pleasure of Radharani and Krishna. So one of those sevas is that the Sakhis, they protect Radharani. They protect Radharani from her rivals. They protect Radharani from her relatives, and they protect Radharani from her in-laws. So they defend Radharani and they stick up for Radharani. For example, why is Jatila suspicious of the chastity of her daughter? Why is she wondering, how doubts about the sati of her daughter Radharani? I'll tell you. Sometimes Radharani, she, in the morning when Jatila goes into the room with Mukara. Mukara is Radharani's grandmother. And Mukara, she comes from Mukarai and she goes to Yavat, not far. And she and Jatila, they enter Radharani's room and say, oh, wake up, why are you sleeping? It's almost sunrise. And when Radharani wakes, they see that Radharani has some marks on her neck, some red marks, and she has some black spots on her cheek and her forehead, and some red marks here and there. And she wonders, are these this Nandan Kumar has kissed Radharani, and then then he kissed her forehead, and the lipstick came from her lips to his lips to her forehead, my daughter's forehead, so now red. And he kissed her eyes because he's different. In the Kama Sutra, the different parts of the anatomy of the form of the lady are kissed by the lover, and there's 12 different places. So Krishna is very expert in all these things. He's the Yashomati Nandana Brajabaro Nagara. Yashomati Nandana Brajabaro Nagara. So yes, he's Yashomati Nandana. Yes, he's in Vatsalya Bhav. Yes, he has Vatsalya Ras with his mother. Yashomati Nandana. But there's another side also. Brajabaro Nagara. So we have Vatsalya Ras in the first line, and we have Madhurya Ras in the second line. Parakiya Bhav. Parakiya Bhav means love of someone that's not yours. Parakiya, belonging to someone else, not mine. It's paramore love. We say parakiya. Sanskrit is parakiya bhav. Wife loving some other man besides her husband, or vice versa. And in English we say not parakiya, we say par amour. Amour in French means my lover. And par amour means another lover, my other lover, extra one. Right? Par amour. Jatila is highly doubtful about the chastity of Bhanunandini, her daughter. So, what are these red spots on your forehead and black? And then the mandris are there, Tulsi Mandri or Guru Sakhi, or maybe yourself, you're in Mandri Srup. Oh, no. Oh, Janani, Chatila, don't you know, Radharani, when we went to do Surya Puja, and you didn't see last night, we came back and you were so busy with cow dung patties in the evening time, and we came in the house, you didn't, that's from yesterday, when we went out for Surya Puja, Radharani was picking flowers and picking roses, and the rose bush is very tall, and some of the branches, when she reached for the roses, they scratched Radharani's neck, so there's some red cut on her neck there, and then her lips look like a little blackish because the cold winds are blowing. They left, the window was open last night in her room, and now it's winter, the wind is coming through, and a little bit numb, it's a little purplish blue, and then this red on her forehead is, there's some juice, there's this lodra flower. Radharani was stringing a garland of these red flowers. Lodra is a red flower, has like a red juice. So she was stringing this garland of flowers to offer to Suryadev, and maybe when she's stringing the flowers, some juice squirted out on her forehead, made this red mark. So like this, why are you so suspicious? Radharani she's fully chaste, Acha, okay, Sakhi, gee, Sakhi. Actually, I'm going a little blind, Jatila is a little blind. So then she kept quiet. So this is one of the 17 sevas of the Mandris, to defend and protect Radharani.